In a forgotten corner of a silent junkyard, something legendary waits, untouched, unseen. The Rosso Corsa Ferrari F40 1987, once built for speed, now frozen in time. Dust has claimed its shine. Rust has started to eat away its story. And yet, beneath all of this, greatness still breathes. This isn't just a car. This is one of the most iconic supercars ever created. A machine that defined an era, now left behind. But today, this story changes. Slowly, the process begins. Every movement is careful, controlled, respectful. Because this is not ordinary metal. A man steps forward, focused, precise. He doesn't just see damage. He sees potential. Chains are attached. The winch tightens. And after years of silence, the Ferrari moves again. Inches at a time. The weight of history being pulled forward. Dust falling away, as if the car is waking up. The tires resist. The body creaks. But nothing can stop what's already begun. This isn't just recovery. This is the first step of a full rebirth. The truck stands ready. A bridge between the past and what comes next. Slowly, carefully. The Ferrari climbs, guided with patience. Every sound, every movement matters. And just like that, the abandoned becomes valuable again. Strapped securely, resting on the truck. It's no longer forgotten. This is where the journey truly begins. From rust to perfection. From silence to power. The Ferrari F40 is going home.